You can easily create new agents by using the templates we've provided and customize them to fit your needs. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a customized customer support agent using our dedicated template. In build mode, click Create an Agent. Scroll down and click the Customer Support Agent template. You'll notice that most of the configuration fields are already pre-filled for you. For this specific template, you'll need to modify at least the agent name, instructions, and description. You'll also need to add a data source that includes your product documentation. Let's start by updating the agent's name to reflect its purpose. Next, replace the company placeholder with your company's name in the instructions. In this example, the agent is designed to answer questions about Konverso's Agent Assist solution. Next, click Link and External Integration to add your product documentation as a data source. In this example, we will select the Agent Assist documentation. After selecting the integrations to add, click Link External Integrations. To use documents like PDFs directly, click on Add Documents to add them to the agent. Click Next to go to the next steps of the configuration. Here you can change who can edit and chat with this agent. Next, replace the company placeholder with your company's name in the description of the agent. Finally, click Create to finish the creation of your agent. Now let's test this new agent by clicking the arrow icon to access the chat view.